should be something else like, thank you. I don't know,
yeah.
That was nothing.
Mm-hmm.
Whenever you want to think it again, whatever. Whatever, but not the welcome doesn't make any sense.
Okay. All right. It sounds like you're at the computer now. You want to click on Xcode there, Mike? Help her out. Mike and Anna, help Mama. Okay.
Say this. I'm not going to take long.
Yeah.
I'm just saying about how long.
Okay, just 10 minutes, 10, 15 minutes at the most. It's real easy too. So just click on Xcode. It'll come up. Just click in there. Okay. And now.
You're going to explain me, right?
Okay. Yeah, we'll explain you. Mike, show her how to run the simulator. Just.
Oh. Okay. So first, you click the play button.
But let Mama use the mouse. Okay, Mike.
Mom, click that button.
Which button?
That button.
Don't tell me that button. What's the name of that button?
It's called build and then run the current scene.
No, what's the name?
The run button. It's called the run button.
Run button.
So click on it one time.
Not working.
No. Okay. It's building. Just hit stop one time, but it's actually going to build it. It's going to launch it and build it. Just hit stop. Because Anna's got the computer set up so that it like double clicks on it or something. But it's actually going to run the simulator. Now, build succeeded.
Now press this.
What it says build succeeding.
Oh, it was in the middle. You'll see it again, but it's actually running the simulator in the back there, I think. Looks like.
Press that black screen.
There. And then I think it's just thinking. It should come up with Icomorph. Let's see. But it's just taking a long time for some reason.
I don't know why either.
Well, do a Command Q. Let's launch it again. Just because I don't know. Just do a Command Q right there.
Command Q.
Oh, and then, okay, now, okay. Oh, wait, the operation couldn't be completed. Oh, wait, okay, iPad Air. Try it one more time. Just hit that. There. Now, build succeeded. Let it go. Just, okay.
What does it mean, Command Q? Quit?
Quit. Yeah, Command Q is quit. It's a shortcut for quit. Oh, what's this? Check out photos for OS X. Okay, there comes the simulator. See if it goes into the app.
Just wait.
Let's see. Oh, yeah, here it comes.
I can more. Doing. Dun. Dad, you should make a company name.
Well, it's Logic Engine Designs, because that's how I design my software, like the new button engine. Okay, here's 2 equations and 2 unknowns. So we've got 5 sliders. We need a 6th slider. We'll show Mama how to work the sliders, okay? She just click on it and pull. Click with the mouse and pull on it. Click on the sliders and pull and see what happens.
Anyone?
Why this one it doesn't show everything?
You can scroll. Use the mouse wheel to scroll.
Mouse wheel.
I know, but how you make this thing the smaller?
Well, no, just you can scroll to get to it. You can.
Okay.
So you see these 5 sliders now, they control 5 different pieces. And there's actually 6 pieces. So for 2 equations and 2 unknowns, there's 6 pieces. You scroll with the 2 fingers. You can scroll, just slide. Are you using the trackpad? Just drag 2 fingers on the screen. Just drag 2 fingers on the trackpad if you want to see all of it, okay?
I cannot see that thing.
Oh,
Just scroll.
With there, yeah. Now you see. Now you can see it.
Why did I put that view smaller?
I'm not sure how to do it. It's not that easy. I don't know. Like I don't usually do it with the smaller, but okay. So, anyways, this is what we have. We need 1 more slider. Okay.
What do you need 1 more, Dad?
Oh, because the 26 isn't changing at all. There's no way to change that last value. That's why we need 1 more.
1, 2 things. It's just 1, 2.
Okay. It would be. I think it would be in the hardware or window. Try window. Up there at the top. Window to the right. Window. So you minimize zoom. How about zoom scale? Yes, there, 75%.
Yeah.
There you go. Good job, Mama. Okay. All right.
Don't call your own wife Mama.
She's your mama.
I know, but don't call your
Oh
own.
my God, it's okay.
Okay, yeah, let it go, Mike. Okay, so now, you see that all works? We need one to control the number 26. So let's make the slider to control the 26. We already had 5, so we're going to duplicate the 5th one. All right, so put your cursor. Oh, there, you did it. Okay, do it. All right, now search. Do a Command F to search. Command F.
What is the command one? Okay.
Is find. Command F is find. All right, and then search for 2 equations. So TWO and EQ, that's all you need. And then EQ, no space. No space, no space. TWO, EQ.
I have to be patient because this thing is...
Okay, no problem. All right. But TWO and then EQ. Okay. All right, now, duplicate the line that says 5. Duplicate that. So triple click on it. Triple click. We'll select the line. Just triple click. Bang, bang, bang.
No, but which one do you want me to duplicate?
Well, we're going to duplicate 5 and make 6. So triple click on this line. Just triple click on it. Not there. Yeah, just the point on it and triple click as fast as you can. Bang, bang, bang.
I did that.
Do it again.
No, it's thinking.
Okay. No, actually, no. That's just the click on that. That's just a breakpoint. Click on that blue thing.
I did.
Oh, is it thinking? Oh, let's see. All right, it may be thinking. All right, try to triple click on the line. Oh, let's see. What happened? Where is it? Oh, view control. Oh, this is. Oh, you went to a different file. Is it? Let's see. Interface view controller. Oh, I think you made the code smaller. Let's see. You see it like 3 dots. You see 3 like I think you like minimized a lot of the code or something, or like see, click on the folders. I'll tell you what, here, yeah, over there, not there.
Dad, do Command Z.
Wait, not Command Z.
What about undo?
No, not we didn't. I don't think. No, I think we're not looking in the right file. In Xcode, you see the folders up under the Run button. There's a folder. Click on that on the folder. Oh, there. Okay, now it's better. Okay.
Okay, let me look for them again.
Command F. Yeah.
Press low.
Okay.
It's fine.
Okay, now duplicate number 5. Triple click on the line with the 5 in it. Triple click.
Triple click with the left side or with the...
Just triple. There you go. Triple click. Or you can do that. Okay. Command C. Command VV.
Then what? Yeah.
Yeah, and then paste it.
Someplace.
Or do Command Z. Undo. Just do Command Z.
I think this is not working.
No, it'll be fine.
Where's that? This is just whatever.
I'm going to clean it.
Okay, now, all right. Well, just do a Command F and return. It'll find it.
I don't know when I...
Okay, just do a Command F and find it. Okay, command and search backwards. In the upper right screen, close that. Check out photos for OSS X. Close that in the upper right corner.
Yeah.
Hit close on the upper right corner. There's something that's not Xcode up in the upper right corner. Close and show. That's left corner. The other corner. Yeah, close that. Right now, search with the left arrow there. See down on the line? The left, yeah, search there. Go back a few. Keep going back a couple. Keep going. There we go. All right, right there. All right, now.
Yeah, I know how to do it. Please don't tell me.
Okay, sure.
Oh, I do it twice.
Hit return. Just hit return.
Should delete this? Oh,
No,
I
just
got
hit.
I got it.
Okay, now hit return. Okay, and then change that to 6. Okay, now search on the 5. Double click on 5 on the one above it. Double click because we're going to duplicate every place where we found 5. We're going to duplicate all the code that went with it. So double click on the one above it that says 5. Okay, now Command CFV. That's fine. Just do Command CFV.
C what?
F and Command V. Command C, Command F, Command V. And return. So
Let's see what else.
Command F, Command V. And then return. It's searching. Give it a second. It's searching. All right, now duplicate this line and make it 6. So duplicate it. Now this. Okay. Triple click on the line is the easiest way to duplicate.
But it's not taking so long. I think it's a problem.
It's just lagging a lot.
Oh.
It's what?
Lagging. Okay. Usually triple click is instantaneous. Okay, so you got a 6 there. Now do a Command F return. Command F to search. Command F return. Enter. There. Okay, now duplicate. We'll go back one. Use the left arrow and go back one. And go back another one. Use the left arrow. We searched too far. Yeah, that one. Go back one. Now, duplicate this whole function. That's it. But actually, you see where the minus is? Put a carriage return in there. Hold on a second. Hold on. Where the minus sign starts it, hit a carriage return there because one of the kids left it. Yes, hit a carriage return right there to separate it. 2 carriage returns. Not a slash. 2 carriage, bang, bang. One more carriage return.
I think just one.
Oh, okay, whatever. All right, and then duplicate. Okay, now duplicate from there to the bottom of the bracket. Yeah, duplicate that. Copy, okay, copy, and then paste. Command V. Command VV.
This case, look, I'm not doing it like that.
Okay. All right.
What's the name of this, Michael?
The keyboard.
The shortcuts.
It's not working. It's not working well because it has some keys are not working well.
Okay. Do you need another keyboard?
Maybe we need another one.
Okay.
It's not working well, so that's why I'm not using it because that is.
Okay, that's fine. All right, now, see, Xcode doesn't like duplicates, and that's what you did. So you have to fix it so it's not a duplicate.
I know. Let me do it.
Okay.
Say a word. Okay. Right? Yeah. Don't say a word.
Okay, now, inside, do you see anything inside it that probably needs to change?
Don't say a word.
All right, now, do a Command F to search again and 1 return. Command F and return. Oh, wait a minute, what happened there? Oh, it doesn't know about that. That's okay. We haven't created that variable yet.
Yeah.
We'll duplicate that later. You can just leave that as it is for now because we haven't created the variable. We'll do that in the next thing, okay? But for now, just search, do a Command F and return. We'll come back to this one, okay? Now, you see all of these here? Yeah, copy that whole block. Okay, now let's see, scroll up to make sure. Okay, so yeah, that right there. Now, we're going to do a search and replace. Okay, so double click on the first one that says 2 equations slider 5. Double click on that. No, is it that one there? Okay, that's good. Now, do a Command C, Command F. Okay, now, up in the, Michael, show her where the find is so we can do find and replace. Show her where that is up in the top.
Where?
To the left.
Oh, I can't.
Find, yeah, replace. Now pull up replace. Okay, now paste. Just put your cursor in the bottom one. Do a paste. Command V is paste. Command V.
Press Command Z.
Just, yeah, do a Command Z will undo it. Just, okay. Now, go put your cursor up in, put your cursor up in the replace field. Below, in the one below it. The one below it. The bottom one, okay? Paste, Command V, okay? Now, make it Okay, now before you do, wait, don't do anything. Go slow. Use the over in the right corner. Use the arrow to make sure which one we're looking at. Press it once. Now go back one. We're looking at the right one. So go back one. Now single replace. Don't hit all, but just hit replace. Replace. Okay, keep going until we get to the bottom. Okay, that's good. Now, wait. Now this is do a Command F, so we're not in the replace mode anymore. Just do a Command F. We don't need to change anything here, but just Command F because it'll close it. Just do a Command F. Just Command F because you see it closes and replace. All right, now we need to duplicate this line here with the slider 5. We need to duplicate that piece of code for the 5 there.
This one.
Yep, that one down there.
That was the following, or we skip anyone?
Well, yes, it was the next one. It is the next one. So duplicate everything associated with it, though. Duplicate everything there that you because you see above it 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
So duplicate that whole block.
Let me check one thing. I just need to check.
Sure, no problem.
Why did you say the? Let's see. Why do you have 8 here and you have 6 here?
Well, the 6 is just a time duration. Those are just different timings.
Oh, okay.
That's just for like when we animate the sliders, we made them a little different.
Okay. So I want to leave the same timer.
Well, actually, go ahead and make the okay. Change that now. Actually, why don't you make yours the fastest one? Why don't you make yours 2? We'll make yours the fastest one. So time of 2, yeah. Okay, so now yours is the fastest one. Okay.
Is the coordinates?
Pardon?
What the 75, 700, 200?
Yeah, those are the coordinates. The origin and X, the origin and Y, the width and the height. Okay?
That will be in the same.
That's all. Yeah, they all are the same except this one. We should move it. It should be the same as 3 for the first 2 numbers. So it should be 212. No, actually, no. Wait, what do we do there? It should be. They all should be 700, and it should be 212 700.
Yeah, no, I said 212 300.
No, it's below. It's going to be below. Just 212 there. That's it. Yep, that's it. That's all we need. Okay, and then scroll down a little. We're going to turn it sideways. Scroll down a little, and do 5. When you see 5, duplicate 5. Keep going a little. Scroll a little more. Okay, yeah, we're going to rotate. Oh, go back up. Yeah, we're going to rotate it because normally they're horizontal. We're going to make it vertical.
I messed it up.
Oh, just do a Command Z or undo.
Command Z.
It's because this
No problem.
what's the name of this again?
Keyboard.
Keyboard is not the one from the iPad. It's the
I'm
the window one. So when I say command, I usually do Control D or Control C, and it doesn't work.
Okay, yeah, I understand.
It's another, and I don't use this computer much.
And then make it 6. Okay, and then do another search. Do a Command F and return. Just Command. You might need to paste. Actually, go copy it. Do a double click on 2 equation slider 5 on the 5. Do on the copy or highlight 5. Double click on it.
Why?
Because that we want Command C, Command F, Command V.
That thing?
Yeah, that's the one we're searching for. We still want to look to see if there's any more 5s to copy. Okay, and then hit return. Okay, looks like we did that. Okay, search for it a couple more times because there's I want to find the place where we set the variable. Or we can go look at the, right here. Or go click on let's find the error. Find the error, which is the red dot. You see the red dot up in the corner there? Click on the right one on the red dot.
We finish the whole code.
Wait, okay, but all right, we still need to fix something. You see the error? We've got one error. Click on the red dot on the right thing or on the arrow near the red dot right above you.
Yeah, I know. You have a second. Okay, we need that stuff. How we can see in which line are we?
What do you mean? Okay.
When we finish the code, when we know that, here.
Okay. So yeah, click there for the errors, but click on the red one. Yeah, there we go. Okay, this is the error. All right, so we need to create a 6. We don't have a 6 yet. This is the one you pasted. So double click on the variable above, the 5. Double click on it and search on it. We're gonna make a 6 for everyone. Every place we created this variable. So yeah, double click on that. Do Command CFV. And return. Wait, slider value. Command CFV. It should be 2 equations slider value. We didn't get it. Click on the red dot again. Either any of those red dots, click on the red dot. Okay, double click on 2 equations slider value. Or highlight it. And do Command CFV. Oh, Command C, Command F. Oh, there it is. And return. And just hit return to search for it.
It's thinking.
Okay, it's a large file. It's a very large file. Let's ignore this one for now. Search again. Okay, duplicate this. Since now it'll have the variable and there won't be a compilation error. Go ahead. Don't worry. We'll figure it out. Let's see. Oh, you gotta highlight the line. Oh, okay.
So when you do it triple click,
it immediately highlights the line. Immediately. Now watch the red dot at the top. Watch the red dot up there on the top. Well, just watch it. It should just go away. Once it figures out you've got a variable for that, there, it went away. Okay, now search, just Command F and return. Let's go duplicate everything that was associated with 5. So Command F and return. Return. And return again, I guess. Okay, we've got a 6 already below there. We did the 6. We did this one. Find it one more time, I think, is where we actually put the number out.
I don't know. Here we mess it up.
No. That was good. That was good there. Now, here is where we put the number out. So we need to duplicate that.
2 equations, line 1, 2 equation value 2, 3, 4, 5. We mix 1 here, 6.
We need a 6. Yeah, you need to put a comma. Paste, Command V. Okay, got it. Okay, now, see, this is how we put numbers into that string when you move the sliders. It changes the numbers. So we need to add a field for that in front of the 26. You see the 26 doesn't have the string delimiter, the %.2f. That's what tells Xcode to use your 2 equation slider value 6. So copy that. Yep, that's good. Yep, copy it and put that in front of 26. And put a space too. Put a space. Okay. Now, I think you're good. I think you can run the simulator. So run.
Oh, it's working.
It's building.
Look under.
Okay, your slider should be the fast one. See, your slider was the fast one. Okay, and it matches where the other ones are. So, okay, now slide it.
There's not wrong here.
Well, okay. We can get rid of the 26 now. We don't need the 26. Now the 26 was a placeholder. Yeah, just get rid of 26. Because now we're using the actual value from the slider.
Just 2F?
That's it. Yeah, that tells it to use the number it gets from your variable, your two equation slider value 6. That's what that tells that.
What about that A? What's that again?
F is just for floating point.
The N.
Oh, the what? Pardon?
The N?
The N. What do you mean? Oh, those are new lines. The slash backslash N backslash. There's 2 lines of text here. When you see it again, you'll note the 2 equations are on separate lines.
Okay. So that 0.2F means that 2 floating because it has 2.
2 after exactly. That's perfect. Yep, two things after the decimal point. 2 numbers after the decimal point. That's correct. And now now we're ready for the solution. All our sliders work. So now, in another session, Anna and Michael and I, we can work on writing the code that actually does the solution for it. So that wasn't too bad. That was pretty easy. And you see how powerful that can be. Not only did we add the slider, but it's animated. It slides into place, which is pretty cool. We even rotate it. There's a lot of things we did there in that 10, 15 minutes.
Realize that Xcode is much harder when we start.
Yeah, it gets easier. Once you learn how to do the copies and pasting, and you've seen how to duplicate buttons and sliders, it gets a lot easier real quickly.
So, Mama, Xcode isn't this easy.
Xcode is what?
Isn't this easy.
I know.
Well, actually, if you got someone who can guide you, it's a lot easier. Like I had to teach myself with no one to guide me, so it was rough. It took me a whole year to get decent and just learn kind of how to do things. Now I get smarter every day on Xcode. I'm getting really good at it.
You sure about that, Dad?
Yeah, I have a lot of comments at the top, just random comments, kind of, on things I want to maybe do in the future, and I use this for searching, for things when I put some special variable names up at the top, just to help me search. A lot of this is just commenting, but if I want to find something, I just double click on it here and search. Well, try that. Carmen, here, try this. Stop for a second.
I know because you told me that already. That making Control F.
Yeah, but that's why I have these comments up there, so I can easily find the code I'm currently working on and trying to debug and trying to get working. So a lot of stuff isn't needed. A lot of it was just comments.
So I start here, right?
Kind of, yeah. That's where the actual code really starts there.
I have to start always with import.
Yeah, that's kind of like in C++. They have import or what's it? Include. In C++, it's called include.
That's right.
Right?
And then what is the quartz?
Quartz core, that's part of Apple. That's Apple stuff. They're like
So you always have to put this.
Well, some things. It depends on what parts you're using. Like I use a lot of different parts. So notice there's 6 of those there. I use UI kit, user interface kit, assets libraries for the camera.
What is that quartz core for?
The which one?
That quartz core.
It's probably for animations and just some basic stuff.
And then what about AV foundation?
Audio visual, I think. Okay. And then the ones below that, draw 2D, that's one of my files. That's how when I draw straight lines.
What about UI kit?
Pardon? UI, user interface kit. UI stands for user interface. So it's things associated with buttons and sliders and labels and messages that you put on the screen, text.
You include here too, so you put it with C too?
You can use include too, yeah.
So you can use import and you can use include?
I think so. I don't know. I forget some of that. Once I figure it out, I usually move on to other things.
Okay. That's going to take me a long time to figure that stuff.
Well, yeah, like that's why for Anna and Michael, what I'll just like narrow them in. We'll work on certain things like how to create handlers for sliders or handlers for buttons, and then they can read books. Like over the summer, they can try to read some chapters in some books and watch some online tutorial videos. So there's this summer, they're going to have a lot of free time, so they could both be pretty good programmers with my help and plus with my tools. Like since they can use all of my morphing library that I've developed, and it's easy. They can actually morph shape to shape to shape. We could get them like morphing their own shapes within an hour or two. Just writing some code, create a new mode. They could pick which two shapes to morph. It's pretty easy with help. So you did good. And it worked first time. We didn't have any problems. We came up the slider. Well, we just forgot we left that 26 in there. But now it looks perfect. It's ready for the solution. That was a pretty good project that we came up with, to do two equations and two unknowns. And actually, so now when we actually write the solution, when you move the sliders, it'll actually tell you the correct solution for two equations and two unknowns is where two lines cross in the XY plane. Where it's the solution for a single point where they cross. So, well, cool. Excellent. So we all coded at least one slider.